And the films that you're about to see I purchased in the late 1950s from a Wilbur Chase. He and his family used to own a mortuary which later became White's Mortuary. This is August the 20th, 1986, so I'll try to tell you where these pictures are taken from time to time. Right now they're shooting across to San Lorenzo Boulevard, just above the Riverside Avenue Bridge. That's the Barson Orchard over there. The pictures are being taken from Laurel Street Extension. He called this the Santa Cruz Tannery, and we know it as the SUMPS Tannery now. There won't be too much talking through this because he made his own titles and it's self-explanatory, but from time to time I'll just give you the location. As you can see on some of these pictures, looks like the water has gone down some, so he was able to get in and get his pictures. It looked like the water was a lot higher than it is right now. Crossing Street pumping plant, that's where the city pumps water out of the wells. It's above the Salts Tannery. You're looking across the river towards Graham Hill Road. Years and years before my time, they used to run the wagons across there to make the wood swell up in the spokes. The Booth campground is now the present location of the new county jail. El Rio campground is still there, and it's just above the Water Street Bridge on the left-hand side looking north. Security Pacific is on the corner to your left. That's over towards the County Governmental Center that he took that shot where the County Governmental Center is now. It's taken down towards SoQuel Avenue Bridge. Geyer's Sand and Gravel Place was on the east end of SoQuel Avenue Bridge at near the end of Garfield Street, which is now Dakota and Riverside Street. This is looking from the sand and gravel across the river towards Long's Drugstore. The Barson Orchard again. San Lorenzo Boulevard runs behind those eucalyptus trees, of course behind the levee, where the tennis courts are. This is still taken from Laurel Street Extension, just above the Riverside Avenue Bridge. That's all residential motels over there as of at this time, August 20th, 1986. This is a present-day Riverside Avenue Bridge, which is discussing about removing right at this time. Whether they will or not remains to be seen. That's the north end of the Riverside Avenue Bridge, looking right up Riverside Avenue. Torchlight Motel is on your right, another motel on your left, and homes. of San Lorenzo Boulevard. This is looking from 3rd Street across towards Bixby Street. Seems to still be raining and still stormy. It's Ocean View up on the top of the hill. There was Ocean View Boulevard. The boardwalk used to continue on underneath the railroad bridge and up the river a little ways. They had picnic grounds up there. Again, it looks like it did some damage, and then he couldn't get in until later to get these pictures. It's East Cliff Drive over there on top of the hill. As you can see, this is the old wooden bridge there at Capitola, which is all concrete now.